Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to have another look at Venn diagrams. First, I need to decide my categories for my two circles of my Venn diagram. I'm going to use has curved sides for one and has straight sides for the other. And I suggest you do the same for your first one and then maybe move on to something else for your second. Next, I'm going to draw my shapes. For shapes with straight edges, it's best to use a ruler if you can, but any straight edge, like the edge of your book, would be great. Now I know that a square has got equal sides, so since I have got a ruler, I'm going to make sure that the sides of my square are all the same length. I'm going with 3 centimetres. A shape with 5 sides is a pentagon. A shape with 6 sides is a hexagon, and it can be any shape with 6 sides. It doesn't have to look like this, so don't worry too much about making it look exactly right. Now I just need to cut them out. Okay, so I've got my 2 circles and each circle is labelled, and I've got my shapes over here as well. You can see that I didn't cut out my shapes too carefully. It's more important that I can see the lines that show me whether the sides of my 2-dimensional shapes are curved or straight, and it made less mess, fewer tiny bits of paper all over the floor, because that's really annoying. So I've got my circle here where I'm going to put shapes that have straight sides. I've got my circle here where I'm going to put shapes that have curved sides, and I've got my circle in the middle where I'm going to put any shape that has got straight sides and also curved sides. So my first shape I'm going to pick is my hexagon. I can see that that has got 6 sides and they are all straight, so that's definitely going in this circle here. I've got my triangle. It's got 3 sides and they are also all straight, no curved sides at all. I've got my circle. My circle has definitely got 1 curved side. It's got no bits that are straight, so that's going to go in my curved side section. Here's my pentagon. It's got 5 sides. They are all straight. Where do you think a square is going to go? What about a semicircle? This shape has got 1 straight side and also 1 curved side, so this shape is going to go in the middle because it's part of the straight side circle and part of the curved side circle as well. And finally, my rectangle. It's got straight sides only. You can see that I've only got 1 shape in my curved side section and 1 shape in my middle section that has straight sides and curved sides. So I wonder if you could find any more shapes that could fit in this circle or in this circle. For your next go, I want you to think of some different rules to put at the top. You can keep the same shapes, but maybe you could think about, has it got equal sides or not? How many vertices, that means corners, has it got? How many sides has it got? We would love to see any new Venn diagrams you make using some different criteria or the same ones as these.